You have fucking noise coming off of your character.
Oh, he does.
I don't see anything though. I wonder if other people can hear that shit too. You're just like fucking debuffed right now. You're just a walking fucking noisemaker.
That's weird. Is that just what wizards do now?
Oh, it's gone now.
It must have been the game glitching out with the ice sound.
Oh, is that what it is?
I don't know. Did it sound like the ice casting?
Yeah, can you hold it? Yeah, that's definitely what it is.